Good morning guys, welcome back to the Driver Mod. As you saw in the title of this video, we're going to be doing some live testing with the Solar Performance Throttle Controller. There's a lot of misinformation out there or a lot of disbelief on, do these throttle controllers, do they actually do anything for you? We're going to highlight the key feature of the Solar Performance Throttle Controller in my opinion, and that's valet mode. So in a sense, you can put the car into valet mode and it should cut power. That way you can hand the keys off to somebody that, you know, maybe you're dropping the car off for service. Hey, maybe you want to bait somebody in a roll race. The sky's the limit, guys. So a few nights ago, we went to VMP to do some side-by-side testing with the Roush Phase 2 and their Whipple Stage 2 on the dyno. And I thought it was a great opportunity to maybe, you know, hey, we just did the Roush max effort pull. Now let's use the Solar Performance Throttle Controller and put the car in valet mode and see what it does. And the results were extremely surprising. I was very happy with the results. So check this out. Let me know what you think.
It made 678 rear wheel horsepower, 551 rear wheel torque.
So we're gonna do a dyno pull with the Solar Performance Throttle Controller in valet mode to see how much it actually cuts down on the throttle and the power.
I don't even think it's a boost.
That's the point.
Good to know.
So it works. It works. That thing did not want to go. Very cool. I mean, I could feel it in the butt dyno on the street, but it's always nice to look at that. Valet mode. Didn't even crack. 289 horsepower. We lost 500 horsepower in valet mode. I think it works. So there it is, guys. Proof that these throttle controllers, they actually work. They actually do something for you and they actually provide some benefit. It's not just smoke and mirrors. It's not just snake oil. They actually work. If you want to get yourself a Solar Performance Throttle Controller, head over to www.solarengineering.com and use promo code TDM350 and you're going to save 10% off your Solar Performance Throttle Controller. I'll leave a link in the video up here where I can show you the install of the video. It's completely plug and play, super simple to do. It takes you 5 minutes to install. But thanks for tuning into this video and we'll see you on the next one here at the Driver Mod.